Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ryan Weston, co-founder of Team MatrixFX, and today I'm going to show you how to draw support and resistance on your charts. So basically, your support and your resistance, they act as the two main levels of where you're trying to isolate price for the day, and your support can be looked at as like the lowest area or the floor, because it's supporting, and the resistance will be the highest, like when the price is at its highest or highest structure, and that will act as your ceiling. So I'm on my trading view. I'm going to draw my support and my resistance right now. So all right, so I'm going to put my resistance right here because this green and this red candle, these two are almost identical as far as having an even base. So that red line fits perfectly across there. And then my support is going to be the bottom price, where price is currently at. Now, I could make support right here. You know, I could even make a support all the way down here as well, but price is right here as we speak. So this support and that support, they really serve no purpose right now because price hasn't reached there yet. So I'm going to make my support right here because these two candles are even in length, and I'm going to make my, yeah, just like that. Look, my fault. All right, so there we go. This right here is your basic support and resistance. As you can see, price is confined within this resistance and this support zone. And then just to keep my analysis real neat, keep everything labeled, because at the end of the day, we do want to become professional forex traders. You do want to become a professional forex trader, so you must stay professional at all times. Keep everything labeled to where it makes sense. So this is going to be resistance, price, resistance, price 1.11398. All right, and then my support price would be 1.11091. And if you're curious to know like where I'm getting these numbers from, it's exactly where this red line is at, and then this number that's right here. Exactly where this green line is at for the support, and where this little green bar is at. That's the number I'm putting in there. That number is 1.11091. That's my support price, 1.11091. We hit OK. All right, so we have both our resistance price and our support price labeled. This is for EU, Euro USD, 4-hour time frame. And this completes the basics of how to make support and resistance. Stay tuned to the next video as we continue with this markup with the trend line.